OpenAI has just supercharged ChatGPT's capabilities on WhatsApp, and it's a game changer for users worldwide. Now, you can upload images, send voice messages, and even link your existing ChatGPT account directly within WhatsApp. This global rollout means everyone can enjoy these enhanced features, making your interactions with ChatGPT smoother and more versatile than ever. Imagine sending a photo to ChatGPT and getting instant AI-powered analysis, or recording a voice note and receiving a detailed text response. While it's not as advanced as ChatGPT's advanced voice feature, it's a big step toward more natural, human-like interactions. Plus, linking your ChatGPT account, whether free, Plus, or Pro, unlocks extended usage and personalized settings, making the experience even more tailored to your needs. To get started, simply update WhatsApp, save the number 1-800-CHATGPT and start chatting. Use the attachment icon to send images, or hold the microphone to send voice messages. For the best results, link your ChatGPT account and enjoy seamless, personalized AI assistance right within WhatsApp. This integration isn't just convenient, it's transformative. No more switching between apps, and with chat history saved, your interactions feel more intuitive and personalized. However, keep in mind that ChatGPT currently responds to voice messages with text, and OpenAI reviews conversations for safety, so always be mindful of what you share. The future of AI in everyday communication is here, and it's only getting better. What do you think about these updates? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates from Techverse. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.